In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these animated title pages using Keynote and Filmora. Keep watching to see more.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.
Right, let's get started. Open Keynote and select the black presentation and set the dimensions to 1280 by 720. Remove the text boxes from the side and add in some text. I am going to create an English subject title. Once you have added in your text, select your font. Add in some borders by adding 2 lines. Then change the style of the lines by going to Style and then selecting a different style design. I'm using the dotted line border and I'm adjusting the size so that the dots are larger. The next step is to add in some animation. Keynote has a large variety of these features. Go and test them all out and select the one that suits your needs. Make sure you change the build of each animation so that they play systematically by going to Build. When you have finished adding in all the animation, save the presentation as a movie file so that you can upload it into Filmora video editing software. Open Filmora and select the Keynote movie file by clicking on Import. I have also selected a pattern image for this animation text file. You can either create your own design or you can upload an image from Pinterest. Insert the pattern file onto the timeline and then place the Keynote file on top. Make sure both files are lined up. Now double-click on the Keynote file and you will see this screen appear. Then click on the box that says Compositing, then select Multiply. This will make the white letters transparent. Then render the file so that it plays smoothly. Adjust your files so that they appear in the correct position on your screen. And play it through so that you are happy with the video. I've added an animated character on a green screen to this video. So once this has been imported to your media files, drag the file onto the timeline. Go to the chroma key and select this feature, and this will turn the green screen transparent. Now save your file and your title animation is complete. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.